Picture this, a clear night, stars overhead, the crackling campfire. Now here's how to make it a culinary delight. First, plan ahead, prep your food at home. It'll save you time and reduce the mess. Think skewers, foil packets, anything easy and portable. Second, control your fire. A roaring fire, great for ghost stories, not so much for cooking. You're after those hot, glowing embers. That's where the real magic happens. Last but not least, embrace the rustic. Forget about perfection. It's about the experience, the taste of food kissed by smoke and fire. There you have it. 3 tips for campfire cooking. Remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the memories you make. So, get out there and cook up some adventure.